Exploring the user interface of the Juliet High Definition Cutter by Caesar. Start by opening the top and bottom door of your Juliet. To turn on your Juliet, press the power button located on the front of your machine. The home screen comes standard with the following tools and features: directional arrows to both advance materials and move the blade from left to right when selecting a custom origin point, a settings button, cut settings menu, a test cut button, a network connection indicator. While your Juliet is actively cutting, you have the ability to pause, play, and cancel your last cut. Another feature that is available with the Juliet is a progress line, so you have the confidence to know how much time is left in your project. Now it's time to explore the settings menu of your new Juliet. Here you will find the following options to select from. General settings, which include an LED menu. Here you can select the level of brightness that best suits your environment. If you don't need extra light, your Juliet has the option to turn on and off the LED light function. Alert menu. From here you can set a chime and light effect to display once your project is complete. A sleep menu. From this menu you can automatically set your Juliet to enter sleep mode after the time frame you set. A unit menu. From here you can select whether you would like to display unit measurements using the imperial or metric system. A language menu where you can select from the following translations: English, French, Spanish, German, and Italian. Each page of the user interface has a back button for easy page navigation and a home button to quickly access the home page. On the settings menu, you will also find the following buttons: a Wi-Fi button to connect to a local network for cordless cutting, a camera function for print and cut projects as well as machine calibration when needed, a USB function for USB cutting, and system info to ensure that you're always up to date on the latest software from Caesar. Cut settings menu. From your home screen, select Cut Settings. From the Cut Settings menu, you can adjust both the speed and force of your blade using the plus and minus buttons. Once you have selected the best cut settings for you, simply press the Update Preset button and click Update to save this setting. Not sure what settings to use? No problem. Each machine comes preloaded with cut settings and all are customizable to your specifications. These can be accessed by pressing the Material button, which will navigate you to the Presets menu. In this menu, you will find the following presets for HTV, PSV, and Other, which include overflow settings from the HTV menu as well as 3 open presets for personalized settings. Rest assured that Juliet has made it easy to determine if you have selected the appropriate cut settings with a test cut button located on the home page of your machine. Welcome to the future of creating.